welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe and hit that bell, and then you will get a notification every time I post a new wig related video. This particular wig was provided for this review by pinkypromise.com. Just a reminder for Pinky Promise, go to their website and sign up to get their emails, and then you will receive a 30% off code for being a new subscriber. Also, you can email support@pinkypromise.com and you can check on stock for wigs, and you can ask any questions that you might have about a piece before you order. So the piece I'm wearing today is TABU by Wille, and the color on this one is Ice Blue Rooted. Very, very pretty piece from their Perucci collection. I'm excited to share more about her with you in just a moment. Okay, so let's jump in and start talking about TABU in Iced Blue Rooted. So I will tell you that this one is a heat-friendly wig, so you can add more curl to her if you want to, or you could straighten these layers out. She comes with just these very subtle waves, which are very, very pretty. They play very pretty with this blue in this piece as well, so really, really cute. So I'll show it to you. I'll do a spin all the way around, then we'll get into all of her specifications. So here she is from the front. Pretty. I like this little side swoop bang that she has. Here's my right, the back, my left, and then back to the front. Okay, so measurement wise, she has a 7-inch layer here at the very front that is this bang, and then it kind of goes into the other layers. So 7 inches on the bang. She has 11-inch sides, and she's 11 inches from the crown. And then her nape back here is 10 inches. Her weight, they say, is 4.4 ounces. She's super, super lightweight, just very easy wig. So she is mostly a basic cap, but she does have a little bit of monofilament. So she has a little micro lace front right here. It just goes from here to here. So just right at the front of that part, there's a little bit of lace. And then she has a just little bit of monofilament back here on the crown. Right here. So that gives you a little bit of appearance of scalp there. It also, makes the wig look like the hair is growing out of your crown. So in between there and there, you have basic cap. And I'll show you that in a minute when I take her off. But it's nice because this rooted piece particularly, it still makes you, still gives the appearance of having a part, which is really, really nice. So this is a petite average wig. This definitely would stretch up to average and maybe just slightly above average. I'm petite, and there's a little bit of extra room in the cap. So I will show you. So we're not gonna have any lace front, of course, across here. The lace front only goes, right here. And, the side swooping bang covers up the fact that there's no lace front over here. But I'll show you the ear tabs. So I've got good coverage on the ear tabs, good piece of metal in there. Looks really, really good. Very nice. And then I'll show you up front, up close. So I can feel the permatease there, but it doesn't look bad or anything. So, and like I said, with a rooted piece, it does give you a, appearance of having a part, which is really, really nice. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. So interior cap for TABU. So here's what I'm talking about. See that little tiny bit of lace right there? And then you have just closed lace and closed wefting here on the top. Not really lace, closed wefting is what I should have said. You have a monofilament crown right there. So just a little bit of monofilament that gives you that appearance of scalp right there at the crown. So the rest of this just has the soft velvet felt that's also on the ear tabs. Ear tabs are very soft. They have a good size piece of metal. Open wefting all through the cap. Extended nape that also has the felt. Velcro adjusters. So very, very cool and comfortable. This cap construction, keeps the price down on this particular piece, which is nice. So I'll flip her back over. There's that little micro lace front. Inside you can see that mono crown. There's the top. So you've got that mono crown there. Just makes it look like you have, some scalp right there. See my finger right there? Really nice. All right. right, let's talk about this color. This is the Ice Blue Rooted. So they describe it as a medium dark brown root. It's pretty dark, but not black or anything. That melts into a mix of slate gray and light steel blue with a touch of white smoke. So you can see a little bit of that white. That might show better outside. I can definitely see it with my eye. So there's an appearance of almost like a platinum blonde. That's that white. And then there's a gray and there's the light steel blue. So really, really pretty. It's really pretty on this style. I like the color with the waves and everything. Looks really cute. Okay, let's take her outside and we'll look at Ice Blue Rooted outside in the natural light. Okay, so this is that Iced Blue Rooted. So I'll show you that little bit of lace front. Show you the top, and then there's that monocrown. She's kind of sexy. Here's the color in the sun. And the breeze. All right, very pretty, that Ice Blue Rooted. Gorgeous, gorgeous color out there in the sun. Okay, let's talk about styling, glasses, all that kind of stuff. So, she is very ear tuckable, no problem. She's low density, so she's easy with glasses. No problem. Put them on your head, no problem. Really, really cute. Put on a headband. I thought the leopard headband would look awesome with the blue hair. Oh, it looks so cute. Really, really cute. Oh, I love that. Super cute. Very pretty. I like her length. She has, you know, some nice length on her, 10-inch nape. So, you know, so you can do a lot of styling with her. You can do her, you know, half up, half down. No problem. And I think I would pull out this little bang and just, if you have any bio hair there that might be showing, and just because it looks pretty, you know, these little swirls here in the front, that just looks really pretty. Show it to you on this side too. So, and I think she would also do a ponytail, no problem. She does have an extended nape, which is really nice. So you just want to make sure you push that nape down. And she looks cute in a pony. Really cute. You could also do twist, you know, put her up in a clip. She'd be pretty like that. All kinds of things like that. And then with this swooping bang, you know, I wouldn't pull her like, you know, bump her up or anything like that, because then you're gonna see that there's no lace front. But you could definitely put, you know, put in a little twist. That looks cute. And a little clip. You know, so you're still covering there where you don't have a lace front. But, you know, play around with her. She's really, really cute, you know, to style. So just because she only has the lace right there doesn't mean that you can't, you know, do some off the face, you know, away from the face styling. So she's just really, really cute. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for providing this wig for this review today. Don't forget to sign up on her website to get that 30% off new subscriber code. So until next time, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.